What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope everyone's doing great. Hey, in today's video, what I want to do is do some live Amazon FBA product research with you so you can see that it's really not that hard to find good, profitable, non-seasonal Amazon FBA products. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Brian Noonan. I have sold multiple six figures a year with my Amazon FBA private label business. I've been able to sell 9 successful FBA products and always continue to grow and expand my business and my brand, and I want to help you do the same. So if you're looking to get into Amazon FBA, or maybe you've started product research but are struggling, or maybe you don't know how to do product research, you've just learned about Amazon, or maybe you've launched a product and it didn't perform or sell as well as you hoped for, this is going to be a great video for you. I'm going to do some live Amazon FBA product research. We're going to go in depth on finding a product, 1 to 3 good FBA products within 5 minutes. This is one of the challenges I saw when I first got started with Amazon FBA. There was people doing the 5-minute challenge, the 1-minute challenge. Could they find a good FBA product in a short amount of time, a short time window? And so I'm up for that challenge, and I want to share this challenge with you. So we're going to try to find 1 to 3 excellent FBA product ideas to move forward with and actually invest your hard-earned money into and make a profit in 5 short minutes. So I'm excited you guys are here with me today to go through this journey. We're going to jump into my computer in just a minute, but before we do, please, if you're new to my channel and have never come onto a video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. I release 1 to 2 new videos every single week to make it worth your time, and I appreciate you watching today. Let's jump into my computer. Welcome inside my computer, and I am going to start the stopwatch for 5 minutes. So we have 5 minutes. We're going to do some FBA product research, and I want to show you my go-to choices for finding really good FBA products. Helium 10 is an amazing Amazon seller's best friend. It's a software feature or a software program. You get all of these different tools. Make sure to check that out and get Helium 10 if you don't have it already. I have a % off discount that'll take it to only $48, and you really just need it for 1 month. Why you are doing product research, and while you're doing product research and creating a really optimized listing and then launching the product and using it for PPC keywords. We're going to go into black box. We're going to go into the keyword feature. We're going to put in a minimum search volume of 3,000. We need at least 3,000 people per month to be searching for the product. That's keywords. And then a max revenue anywhere from 4,000 to like 30,000. Price, we're going to do $13 to $99. Review count, we're going to do a max of 155. Now you can play with this and go down to like 75 or up to 200. And then let's choose some categories here. So we want a minimum search volume of 3,000 people per month searching for our product. Beauty, personal care, arts, crafts, and sewing. Home and kitchen. Industrial, scientific is good. Kitchen and dining. I've made a lot of money in these categories. That's why I know that they're good. Patio, lawn, and garden, we have Springer, tools and outdoors coming up, and tools, home improvement. I am going to put some excluded keywords here. Again, I've only got 5 minutes to try to find 1 to 3 really good FBA products, so I don't want to waste time looking at sheets, pillows, towels, curtains. Okay, and then we're just going to press search, and we're going to see what Helium 10 comes up with. So birch tree with lights, maybe a little bit seasonal for Christmas. Laying calendar, wall calendars, no wall calendars, no yoga mug. That's going to be Star Wars related. New Year decorations for Chinese New Year, no thanks. Valentine's Day, that's all seasonal. Valentine's Day, Chinese New Year, those are seasonal. Skin hydrator would be a topical product like a growth serum, hair growth serum, eyelash serum. That's going to be considered a topical product and restricted. So we can't do that. Valentine's Day placement. Embroidery kit, that looks interesting. We've got $7,800 in monthly revenue and only 74 reviews. So we're going to click over here, view on Amazon, and we'll check that one out. Let's keep going. Valentine's Day ornaments, tablecloth, lumber, board, heater. I don't want to sell heaters just for the risk of it possibly catching on fire and being held liable. So we'll skip that. Okay, Thaw Master, that looks really interesting. You know, a lot of people are going to be going outdoors in the spring and summer and grilling. So maybe people, ThawMaster is something to do with, thawing meat and grilling. So I like that. Wood chisel sets, okay, $10,600 a month in revenue and only 112 reviews, which is not too bad. Actually, I want to look at that one first. That one looks really interesting. Okay, first we'll look at the ThawMaster. We're going to run the X-ray on the ThawMaster. Must be a brand, so I may do ThawMaster tray. A thaw tray is what I may need to do. My computer catches up. Thaw tray. All right, thaw tray. The numbers have loaded here. So we've got total revenue 187,000. We've got a little bit of a high BSR, 107,000. I'd like to see it about 75,000 or less for bestsellers rank. Average reviews is very low, and so I like the review counts. We've got 5 or more under 150 in the top spots here. And revenues are a little bit low, but this one is doing extremely well. 46 reviews doing $18,000. 84 reviews doing $22,000. That's good. 6 reviews doing $3,300. And I like the price. I like the price of this. I like the sales. I like the revenue numbers. I would zero in on what these two are doing. This 86 doing 18,000, 185 doing 14,000, and 6 doing 3,300. Exactly what does their product look like, and make it a little bit better. Next, we have embroidery kit. I'm not even going to open the X-ray numbers on this because I saw that the total results up here in the top left were 20,000. It's just going to be an oversaturated market. I could be wrong, but I would just pass because of the total results. It seems a little bit competitive to me and may have a hard time launching a new product as a new seller with 0 reviews and making any sales. Next, we have this wood chisel set. So this was really interesting. This one was doing like $10,000 with about 100 reviews. Let's see what the numbers look like on there. And while that loads, we will go back to that. Okay. Search volume for the wood chisel set is 4,000. That's great. We need 3,000 or higher. Anything above 3,000, that means there's 4,000 people per month, roughly, searching wood chisel set. So it's a good product. It's in demand. We have a variety of different brand names. I like the category tools and home improvement. We've got mostly all FBA sellers. There's only one Amazon, the company is selling one of the products. So we don't want to compete too much with Amazon. They tend to always promote their products ahead of our private label products. And so I don't like to see more than like 4 or 5 AMZ. Let's scroll over to the right and look at the 2 most important columns, revenue and review count. Review counts look good. Revenues look good. This is another great product. I would zero in on exactly what this guy is doing, exactly what this guy is doing, and exactly what this guy is doing here. What comes in their set? How many tools do you get? What's the price? What are the benefits and features? And how can you make it better? And that right there, within 5 minutes, is 2 great Amazon FBA product ideas for you. Wood chisel set and a meat thawing tray, which I know is just going to explode and get more popular as spring and summer and grilling season comes here. Next, you would want to go onto Alibaba and use the template down below in the product description, video description. Use that Alibaba template to send it off to multiple suppliers, 3 to 5 of each on each product. Then you'd read all the negative reviews to find out what can you improve upon the product. Can you fix certain things that customers are complaining about over and over and over? Send that template off to suppliers, start getting quotes back, and then run it through FBA revenue calculator. You can Google Amazon revenue calculator, put in your selling price, your cost of product, and your cost of shipping. Once you get those numbers back from the supplier, hopefully you have at least a 30% profit margin, 100% ROI or higher, and a net profit per unit of at least $5. Then you would start to talk to the supplier about improving those things that were wrong with the product, and ask them, can they do this? Can they do this? Can they offer this? Can they do this a little better? Can they do this a little bit different? And ask for a final purchase invoice or purchase order and how much a sample would be to send directly to your house. And make sure you do contact multiple suppliers, because you will get a different price from each supplier on the product cost and the DDP shipping costs. There you go, guys. That is 2 amazing FBA product ideas within 5 minutes. We used Helium 10's black box, we used the keyword feature, and we found the Thaw Master, the meat thawing tray, and the wood chiseling kit. Both are non-seasonal. They wouldn't be restricted. We have to check a little bit that the meat, that the material on the tray that comes in contact with the meat, that you don't need FDA clearance for that tray. But one way you could get around that, check to see if it's restricted through your Amazon seller account. Try to add the product and see if Amazon lets you add it. And also you could look for a supplier on Alibaba who has a BPA-free or toxic-free thaw mat. There you go, guys. That'll wrap things up. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Appreciate all my supporters and fans. I'll see you inside the next video coming soon.